Okay, so this is my 81 Berlinetta Camaro, doing a restoration on it, and took the old hood latch off because it had been broken off right here. Bought a new one from a junkyard and installed it, had it powder coated. The only problem is whenever I go to unlatch the hood, it is releasing the first hood latch, but when I pull it further to release the safety latch, you'll notice that the hood has not popped anymore. So you lift the hood. Now, I should, in theory, be able to just pull this open, but I can't. So let me set this down. So what I end up having to do is hold the hood latch all the way out and pull up with my left hand, which is obviously pretty tough, and that's not how it's supposed to be. I don't know if this spring might need replaced to, give it that extra pop once the secondary is released. You can see it's, and then I noticed just a minute ago that where this is hitting is against my radiator support, not the actual bracket. Sorry, my camera needs to focus. It's hitting the bracket, or the radiator support, sorry, rather than the bracket. And I fooled around with moving the entire thing forward, with a rubber mallet, hitting this back a little bit to maybe angle it backwards. Not too much, obviously, but I've tightened all these bolts down. I've got pretty much this whole thing aligned with the hood alignment. So I don't know it's anything of that nature, but I don't know if anyone could help me with this, if anyone else has ever had the same problem. I don't know if that could something be wrong with it. It worked once before when I just test fitted it in, drove it around for a while, but now it doesn't seem to be working at all, so any help would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.